Okay, so Spitfire status update. Okay, this is the first status update that I've ever done, and I've completed the whole bottom half of my car. But big step for me today. I pulled the body off of the rotisserie and landed it down on the chassis. So big step forward for me. It's strictly just a video of me doing that, how I did it. I do everything by myself. I've got nobody here to help me. My wife is not interested in working on Spitfire, so so I'm doing it by myself. So it's strictly just me flying the thing down, landing it on there, and praying to God that everything lines up once it gets there. So hope you enjoy. See you guys. All right, so there it is. Carl's new final resting spot for a little while. It's nice to have it back on the ground, have the body on the frame. Like I said, it's a pretty big step for me. I had to spend the last couple weeks here knocking a hole in my garage because I had put up this wall a long time ago to separate my old work area so it could be under AC, and but now the body wouldn't fit on the frame because the trunk sticks through the wall. So I had to go ahead and open that up. So now I've got a little L-shaped garage with just enough room for Carl to go ahead and fit in there. That's all still a mess, but I had time over the long weekend and was looking forward to getting that thing off the rotisserie. Now I got to break the rotisserie down, take that to work. But more room in the garage. Got room for Carl and the golf cart in here, so pretty exciting times. It's really neat to see the car or the body on the frame again. It actually looks like a car. I'd like to get it off these rollers just to actually have the tires on the ground again, but that's just gonna be a waste of time. It's either gonna stay on the rollers or it's gonna be up on jack stands while I'm doing the floor, which at this point I'm kind of excited about, but I know that's gonna be short-lived because it's gonna be like, cut and grind and weld and cut and grind and weld and all of that nonsense and non-stop measuring and stuff. But it's still kind of neat to see Carl in one piece again. It's been a little over a year since I pulled the body and got all my small patchwork done, the body stripped and all that stuff. So now the next big step, it's actually where I started when I got this car, is getting back to the floors. And then I've got some small little spots to do, and I still got to strip the paint off of the hood and the doors and the boot lid, and really get cracking here to where then we can get into the fun detail work of making it really look nice on the inside and stuff like that. Paint's one thing, blah, paint. I like doing all of the custom fun stuff that just makes it all mine. But yeah, exciting times. So I guess now I got to get back to work. See you guys.